Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Saturday morning. I just woke up, drank a cup of mint tea, and we on the go early because we're supposed to get a nor'easter. Is that what they call it? Nor'easter, like bad snowstorm. So me and George getting started early. George just come home from work. Oh God, guys, I feel so bad for him. Me I run go out on the road quick. Me have to carry my car for your inspection. My sticker was expired and me not even did know. Guys, I don't know, watch my craziness. I know me look crazy, but I just roll out of the bed, wash my face, brush my teeth and come out. So we are got the place now to do the inspection for the car. We shovel brake, the two shovel and brake. So we have to make sure get the shovel. George do the shopping from yesterday, getting water, bread. We nick snacks then we need. Cause guys, we not always buy this one barrage of grocery. Cause we really not have big space to store things. So sometimes we shop as we go, like bi-weekly. So we'll get started early. It dark up outside. Let me show you outside. George just coming in the car right now. Let me show him. I'm tired. It's a morning, baby.
Morning, YouTube.
Yeah. He want to sleep, so I don't mind him. I understand. He just follow me, just so I not go by myself. But me I go drive and me I go make him stay in the car. So we check in back with him later. We are prepared for this snowstorm here. Pray for us that it don't come. We don't know, because sometimes them hype up the weather and it not happen. But we are praying for a good outcome. Alright guys, I'm gonna make George show you outside. So guys, I'm done with the inspection. They passed the inspection, but I swear every year I come, something different is wrong with the car. Now they say I need front and back rotors, but I have like another 30 days to do it. So I'm gonna have to take care of that. We couldn't take care of that today anyways because we didn't even have an appointment set. So that's the new thing. We are at Lowe's. Everybody I get busy. Them already throw the salt on the ground. See there? So when the snow come, the salt is already there. George gone in, gonna get the shovel them. So, you know what? I'm kind of a little bit disappointed when them tell me about the car. But you know what, guys? It could have been way worse than that. Because I've gone to do inspection already and they failed the car because they say me need 4 new tires. But you know, so them dealership here, guys, is a money-making thing. Some of them. So I had to buy 4 tires for $1,000. But at least this time, it's not that expensive. Probably the guys say I'm gonna spend around $600 or $700 around there, but I'm not gonna be worried about it because it definitely could have been worse, right? So let me embrace it and do what we have to do. We're just finishing up outside. George going to go home and eat something and go in bed. I'm making sleep all day, but him just never want me go by myself, go do the car. Because honestly, guys, sometimes when as a woman and you go to the dealership or you go to do anything with your car, then take disadvantage. Them tell you say stuff wrong with the car that's not so actually. So George never yet like when me alone go do anything with the car. So that's why I'm go with me, even though he's tired. And I really do appreciate that because he could have said, Michelle, go on and me I go sleep. Because I would understand. So now, I don't know. This weather kind of call for some soup. So I don't know if I'm gonna go home and make some soup or we're gonna just go light today. Go something easier. Maybe some, oh yes, we can make some fried dumpling and tin mackerel. I also have saltfish, so I don't know. Let me see where it lead with. We can make tea, fried dumpling, and tin mackerel for dinner later. Guys, I hope you all having a blessed Saturday. You're not overwork on yourself too much. Remember, Rome wasn't built in one day, so you're not try to do everything in one day. Do what you all can do today and let it rest and pick up where you left off tomorrow or another day, right? So that's my advice to you guys. Me like feel like me have to done everything one day, but I'm not do that. I'm not follow me. So anyways, I'll show you when we're on the road. I can't tell them to say everybody out here busy, because everybody I try beat the snow. According to them, it's supposed to start at 1 p.m. So right now I'm gonna stop in Target quick because I have to return a camera, and I want some pink bath mat for my bathroom because I want to take down the Christmas shower curtain and hang up something else. So me showing when me in a Target, because I'm not even stay out here long like that. And guys, look out for all my videos. I know they're a little bit late, but time was against us, and it's better late than never. At least me are giving you something to watch, because today I'm actually uploading the Christmas dinner. I'm gonna go over and check it out. It's actually exciting because I know some of my kids them crazy already. And then I'm gonna edit the birthday video. I don't know how much we got of that because it was kind of dark in the restaurant, but I'm gonna try to show you guys what we got. So just stick by and enjoy your videos, even though them behind, they're late. So now look out for those videos, guys. And if you don't never yet subscribe, you know, just subscribe now. Me on my way to 9K now. You know, just make it look easy for me now. Just find it in the heart to subscribe. Love you guys, and I know stay safe and continue being the supporters. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Everybody busy about them business. So we just got 2 shovels and we get salt. So we're stopping at Target now and then go home from there. Okay guys, I'm returning my stuff. The camera. Yeah. I'm returning the camera. Guys, when I come into Target, I just like to look in this cheap area. Yeah, Valentine stuff. I see some nice little cheapy stuff here. What is this? Candle holders? Not sure. All the cheapness is in this area, guys. Socks and teapots. Them guys. You know what? I always wanted a funnel. Sometimes they throw stuff out where you need one of these. I can put these in my laundry room. Here's another one. Let me see how much are these. $5. You can't beat that. You can't put it. Look at these flowers, guys. I just love Target. Look. So much knickknacks. But guys, I'm not planning on staying in here too long because George outside and want to go home and take a nap. Maybe Kaylee would like this. Put her little jewelry in. Little knick-knack stuff. These, I have to put a little utensils. These huge. $8. Not bad. These cute. Cute little rings. Kaylee love rings. And this is on clearance. Guys, you know what? I don't even want to head over to Rhea's side because that little girl don't need nothing. I think we overbuy for her. She don't need all that clothes. And you know these babies, them grow. So I'm not trying to buy nothing more for Rhea. Rhea got a lot of clothes for Christmas from everybody. So I ain't doing that today. I picked these up so far, guys. We got utensil case. And this for Kaylee. She will like that. So I'm looking for bath mats to go with this. So something kind of pinkish, nudish is what I'm looking for. So let me go in that area. Maybe something this color. Guys, I'm colorblind, you know? I'm real colorblind. But it's not a shame and it's not a crime. I may look at something and it may look pink to me, but when somebody else see the same thing, it look like purple to them. I don't know what's wrong with my eyesight, but that is what's going on with me. That's why I love Ross and TJ Maxx. No, I think that's too bright. That don't go with that. This one don't have no grip. So I'm not gonna take that. Neither am I taking this because them too small. On this piece, guys, I'm on $25 for this one little piece of mat and it don't even have no grip under the bottom. I don't know, guys. Should I put this with that? Everything don't have to be all matchy. I don't know. This is a kind of beige-ish. Yeah, this is kind of beige. Yeah, everything don't have to match. I'm gonna see if they have the cordless ring camera. Guys, I'm gonna be strong. I see these for Rhea, but Rhea don't need nothing. I'm gonna ask them where we find the ring cameras. Okay, guys, the snow has begun. You can go ahead. Sorry. Yeah. It starts flurries, guys. See? It's coming. And I'm done in Target. So guess what? I'm headed home. I don't know if y'all can see the snow. Poor thing, he must sleep. Look at him. I'm gone. See the flurries there, guys? Can you all see? It's coming down. I see my little cart here. So, I got my yard. Man, pick up more than what we really needed. No, not what we needed. I picked up more than what I went there for. But it's stuff that we needed. So, soon when we get home. See there, guys, it's coming. But we are headed home. We are like about 3 minutes from where we live. So we're heading inside. And I have no business outside for the rest of the day. Okay, guys, we're getting into our development now. And as you can see, it's coming down. So as it progresses, I'll show you outside. Hopefully, pray for us we don't get too much. So we basically home. Georgie out. So we are just unload the car now. We're pulling our driveway. So we're just waiting for whatever they say is coming. Hopefully it's nothing much. But see you later. Guys, the snow is coming. Look at it. I'm gonna put Kaylee out there.
Lie.
And I told, turn it on. I told Shanique to bring Rhea over. I can't go the whole weekend without seeing the baby. She said, oh, mommy, she gonna be snowed in your house. I said, so? She's at her grandma's house, so nothing is wrong with that. So, I don't know if she's gonna carry her. Turn it and show them up. So guys, we inside waiting to see what's gonna happen. Okay guys, Shanique and baby Rhea is here. Thank God. Hi baby girl. Hi. May I vlog? May I show them outside? My daughter made it, guys, and my grandbaby. Come in with the girl. Come in with the girl. Put her.
She was sleeping.
Oh, look at my baby. Rhea. Guys, she was sleeping. Hi. You. Snow.
Yeah.
Shanique, so this is yours.
Oh my God.
Okay, guys. Now George is in the backyard. He's not gonna do everything because that's too much. He's just doing like the walk areas. Guys, me and Kaylee in Target. Guys, so me love shop so till me just pick up Kaylee from cheerleading, and me have to come in I had to come in Target so I can buy shower curtain hangers, but me just let me turn on the camera. Why not? For sure know how much we love shop, me and her. So it's early still, it's just a little bit after 8 o'clock. And just showing a little things to add to the vlog. We start already. The clearance stuff them there. See Kaylee there. Say hi. Smile, let me take it off for you.
Hi.
Say hi. So I'm pretty high.
Hi.
Give them a pretty.
Hi.
Say hi. You look pretty. You look miserable. I'm looking for a glove for Rhea. Look for a glove for Rhea. This is cute.
I'm gonna go look for the books.
What books, baby? Guys, I love that. I remember when Rhea was that small. Got these little dresses. Okay, guys. So they bought mats, some foam ones. Kaylee, watch out, guys. Come here, girl. Guys, see how they, but you're fine. Looking at the girl hand. Guys, I teach them I go rotten like mad, man. Okay, let me hear you silly I like. See them here? Come here, babes. Here they are. Choose a nice one. I don't want those plastic ones because they break quick.
It's cute.
How much for this? You sure we don't want the black one? Babes, sweetheart, I need my gum detoxifier. I need this. And $1 off now. Alright, come, let's go to the line. Kaylee, why are you doing that? You don't like other things and babes.
Bye, guys.
Alright, look for now. Let me turn it on. Guys, the girl said if I come out of the store, said she'll leave me in here. So, I have to listen to her. She said she's ready. So, this wasn't the plan. I wasn't supposed to do this.
I have to talk to them. Alright, guys. We'll see you guys soon.
Uh-oh, what's happening over there, guys? The popo over there. No, Kaylee, no break that. Come here, come here, come here. I know you known for break things and just put it down. Don't throw it, please. Put it in, babes.
Girl, you are champion, Bobala. Champion, Bobala. Girl, you are champion.
So guys, me and my partner in crime, we're going in the house now. Say hi, babes.
Hi.
So, thank you for coming at Target with us. We love you guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Say bye, baby. Come. Mwah.